Terblanche. I'm a technician at BOBCAT Elrod. I've been working here for 7 years and 3 months now, and I've been Technician of the Month for April 2018. Barry Owen will shadow me today while I'm busy removing the engine of this machine.
Coming to the end of my time for today anyway, working here, and Martin's been a wonderful teacher. Thank you, Martin. I've learned quite a bit. Got a lot of respect for my guys. I've always had that respect, but let me tell you, it's only like a bit of time in the workshop doing somebody else's job to understand things a little bit better. So we're taking this engine out, quite a process. You know, if it was up to me, I'd just have one bolt to attach the whole thing together, but it seems a little more complicated than that. Messy job, as you can see. So guys, keep your machines clean. If you look after your equipment will look after you.